In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media links to Systemi.io. We'll be working inside your funnel page editor so you can place clickable social media text exactly where you want it. This is a simple update, but it's a useful one because it gives visitors an easy way to connect with you on other platforms directly from your page. Start by going to your System.io dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Sites and then choose Sales Funnels. This will take you to the area where all of your funnels are stored. From there, click on the funnel you want to edit. After opening the funnel, select the specific page you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct step, especially if your funnel has multiple pages like an opt-in page, checkout page, or thank you page. Once you've found the right page, click Edit Page to open the page builder. Inside the editor, scroll down to the bottom of the page or to the section where you want your social media links to appear. Many people place these links in the footer area since that keeps them visible without distracting from the main content. Next, click on Elements. From the Elements menu, choose Text. Then drag and drop the text element into the canvas where the social links should go. Once the text box is in place, type the name of the social media platform you want to link, such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or LinkedIn. After that, adjust the text alignment so it matches the design of your page. You can center it, align it left, or place it however it looks best within that section. Keeping the alignment consistent with the rest of the page usually makes everything feel more polished. Now highlight the text you just entered. With that text selected, click on the attachment icon. This is where you'll add the actual social media URL. Paste your social media link into the field, then click Confirm to apply it. At this point, the text becomes clickable and will send visitors to that social profile. Once everything looks right, click Save to keep your changes. That's it. Your social media link is now added to your System.io page. If you plan to include more than one platform, you can repeat the same process for each one and keep the formatting clean and easy to read. A quick final tip, always double check each link after saving to make sure it opens the correct destination. That way your visitors get a smooth experience every time they click.